Welcome back to the channel, guys, and today we take a deep dive into the world of wireless microphones. And today with me I have the DJI Mic Mini. And for such a small microphone, do you think as a content creator this is the microphone you need, comparing it to the size of the Rode? Do you think for such a small size this is what you need, and do you think this packs up the quality audio that you need, and do you think it's also the right microphone in this era since people are going miniature? Coming from an era where we have the big microphones, coming to this microphone and also now to this tiny microphone, do you think the world needs the tiny microphones, and do you think they pack up the quality and the professionalism that you need as a content creator, or just the work for you to get started? Tune in and let's dive in and see whether DJI is the right microphone for you to choose as a content creator. The DJI Mic Mini is designed for portability and ease of use, weighing just 10 grams. The transmitters are incredibly lightweight and discreet, making them perfect on camera use. Clipping on the transmitter is straightforward. Despite its small size, it has impressive features like transmission range of up to 400 meters, ensuring stable audio even in crowded environments. The receiver connects seamlessly to various devices, including smartphones and cameras, via USB-C, Lightning, or a 3.5mm audio cable. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for vloggers, interviewers, and mobile journalists. Battery life is a standout feature. The transmitter offers up to 11.5 hours of continuous use, and with the charging case, you can achieve a total of 48 hours of extended operation. Plus a quick 5-minute charge provides about an hour of usage, just perfect for those last-minute shoots. Using the DJI Mimo app, you can access features like the safety track, which records a secondary track at -6 dB. When it comes to audio quality, the DJI Mic Mini delivers clear and crisp sound, significantly elevating your content compared to the built-in device. This is an audio test comparing the DJI Mic Mini and the Rode Wireless Pro. Tell me which microphone sounds the best in your ears. This is the voiceover from the Rode Wireless Pro. This is a voiceover from the DJI Mic Mini. And also, if you're new to the channel, please give a thumbs up, and also please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and if you find this review very helpful, and if you have any question, just throw it down in the comment section and tell me which microphone do you also want me to compare the DJI Mic Mini with.